You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name or this nickname. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more for you at the end of this video. Pronounced, generally the most common pronunciation in English, Kathie. Kathie, not really. Kathie, Kathleen, Catherine, Kathie. Sometimes the spelling is different with a Y at the end or a C at the beginning, but the pronunciation, Kathie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.